Hi Tiffsters, it's me Tiffany Taylor, and today we're going to be opening a smoothie. This is a Sunday backpack, and next we're opening do-it-yourself body scrub. Before we get started, if you're new to my channel, subscribe and click the little bell right next to it so you know when I have a new video. But wait, remember to follow me on Instagram. This is it right here. Now let's go. So let's start. And it comes with a little handle like a cup. Let's open it. Woo, confetti? Ooh. Okay. So it comes with this coconut dropping oil. And some food coloring. And here, ooh, and here the collector's guide. Here are the instructions I meant. Okay. Where's step 1? Oh. Okay. Step 1. Add this thing? Where is it? This is everything that it comes with. Comes with some hearts, confetti, a little spoon to mix it up when we have the food coloring, some coconut oil, some food coloring, and this lid. No, it's a paper thing. And it says right here that you need this. Pour the coconut oil. It says. Open it up. How many drops does it say? Okay, I don't know. I keep dipping my elbow into water. That's cool. So first it says you have to use olive oil and sugar. It doesn't come with it, so you're gonna have to get it from your kitchen. Now let's get started. First we're gonna add the sugar. I was about to say flour, but it's actually sugar. We just have a little bit. We need half a cup, but that's all we have. So here we go. This doesn't even look like half a cup. That's okay. Well, we barely had enough, but this looks like enough to pour it in here. Whoa, it looks snowstorm. Look at this. Some fell right there. That's okay. We'll clean it up later. Okay. Next it says you have to add the olive oil. Take off the lid. Oh, great. It has a small hole. Half a cup. Hopefully I do it right.
I'm going to pour it.
I'm not going to pour it.
You're dead.
That's enough. Whew, that looks like a lot, but oh, phew. Sisters, I think I read it wrong because it said half of the cup, like up to here. But that's okay. Let's just keep going. Okay, yes. Step 2, mix it with the bubbly sound, I guess.
I can do 2.
Probably doesn't stain again likely. This mess right there. This is getting crazy. Okay. So this is looking like a paste. Looking good. Super like a paste. And step 3, it says you gotta add some coconut, a few, and 2 drops of this fruit coloring. Let's go. Let's open. Oh no, from all this mixing, my hands are slippery. Oh, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 2. Yeah. 1, 2. Whoa. So good. I really think you should get this. Whoa, this is so cool. It's turning red. I have to get all of it. It said add a few drops of each until you get the color you want, which we do. Very getting the color of this. Ooh. Tiffsters, it's all ready, but Tiffsters, I gotta tell you something. These smell so yummy! You should get it! Okay, so now we add them. Yeah. Okay. Oh no, it landed on my toe. Woo. Woo. Still a little bit yellow. Whoa. This is gonna be a great one. This is so far going so good. Ah, perfect one. This looks fantastic. So Tiffsters, it's all done. So last week, grab a handful and put it on your palm like this. Let's do it. Woo. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Whoa, it feels so soft. Oh no. And it smells so good. And it's getting pink. So far, this is pretty cool. So I give it a thumbs up. I super really love this. Next, we're gonna open the Sunday bath pack. Ooh. Ooh, this looks like a milkshake. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god, this fun! Grab a top to get into the tub. Ooh, a straw. A straw. A spoon. Spoon. A spoon. I'm making sandwiches. So we didn't really need this water. It comes with sugar. And the ball. And the ball. And the ball. And the a heart. Ooh, another heart. Ooh, some instructions. This is everything that came in the pack. So Tiffsters, to test it out, we're gonna give my friend Flower a bath. Let's go, baby. He's a baby. Oh, I don't want to go in. Okay, she's gonna get wet. Okay, you can float. First, you get one little scoop. I don't know. Huh? This does nothing. That's okay, because next we're gonna try this blue bath bomb. What color is it? Oh, look at that. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Oh no. I don't really hear a fizz, but I love the color that the water is turning. The water is turning. Ooh, the water is turning gas color. Color is blue, my favorite color. Where's the bath bomb? Oh, there it is. Whoa! This bath is so comfy. I got some on my ear. Hazel. The cup. Tiffany, let me go. And pour on her. What are the holes? Okay, we need a napkin to clean this. Ah! No, your nose! Hazel, your nose! Hazel! Oh, ew. Now let's add the pink one and the heart. And then we're done. First, let's add the pink one. That's gonna be pinkish, like the blue. So here's the heart. Let's just go for it because it's gonna start. Oh, it's gonna turn like 2 colors. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Look at the heart.
I'm gonna mix it, okay?
This heart is turning small and it's not turning any color. Ew, hair!
It's turning dark blue.
Dark blue. Curl it up. Aw.
I really need some water on my face, please.
Now to the hearts. Ah, that's enough.
Oh, look. A salon.
Thank you. They're crushing a lot.
The water.
They're dissolving, Tiffsters. Here.
They're turning to slime. That what a zombie mean?
A zombie?
Zombie, yeah.
Oh, the heart's got on my finger, Tiffsters.
And it's turning to
Wait,
mud.
where's the... Did they melt? Oh, I found the heart. Wait. It's small.
Yeah.
Get all over your face.
So far, I love this bath pack, and I can't wait to try it in my bath.
Bye-bye.
Can somebody clean my face? Just get out of there,
Please.
get out. Get out of there, okay?
Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. They're not thumbs ups. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Let's